Hey Bearry Bears, welcome back. And basically let's get into this. It is a haul video and it's gonna be a lot of mystery packages, that like stuff that I bought like months ago and I'm finally getting. I'm pretty sure these are glasses, if I am, yeah, just off of basis of feeling them. Oh yes, these large and retro ones, they're definitely lightweight, which I kind of want, because a lot of my other like retro ones are kind of heavy, and sometimes having like big hair, big glasses, all that stuff, it's a lot on the face. So big but light is very, very like helpful. I'm gonna knock out these little small ones real quick. Okay, oh shoot. Yeah, I'm trying to get better with my vocabulary. I got a bunch of little magnets. I use these just to pop on some of the wood pieces. If you want a cheap magnet by an actual artist for your fridge, I'm here to help you out. Go to my website. My shop is like in my link tree on my about page. Some on a lot of things. These are all sewing patterns. Yeah. Oh, look at it. Halloween is coming up, so y'all, I gotta get to work. I got these from a really cute brand. I'll put the name of it up. Oh, actually, it should be here. Well, not a brand. It was like a little website. Yeah. Wonder. And I marked it all out and shit. Anyways, I'll figure out the name and I will pop it over there. And I love these. They're gorgeous. I have this one already in smaller sizes. I actually bought it in the smaller size. Oopsie. It's okay. Now I have it in the right size and both. And it's kind of helpful because I do want to make these dresses because I really like dress up. Honestly, yeah. And I like to sew these dramatic and more like outfits that I know I like to wear. Like, that's the whole point of learning how to sew, is to make the clothes that you want to wear, not other people want you to wear. Because what's the gig? That's a scam. This is, yeah, this is what I think it is. It's for my bob. Ooh, these are, ooh. I'm gonna say this is for my bobbins, but it's definitely not bobbin small. Like, if you don't know what a bobbin is, a bobbin case, I might pop mine up. Okay, so you can move them. Okay, so I guess I can use these for beads. Maybe I got this for beads. Actually, I will check, and I'll put the correction or whatever up there. Actually, I can check it on my phone right now. Nah, I think this is just for beads, and I probably just like really didn't realize, or I meant to get it. I'm not gonna lie. Organizers are very important in this. You know, all this, the beading stuff I do, organizers are important. All this stuff I do, organizers are important. And this is a snap attacher. I needed to get one, and I got metal snaps instead of plastic snaps because they are just better. And I got it for like these costumes and stuff I want to do, because I want to cosplay like soon. That's something I want to get into. Like, I already have buying units. If you know, one of the Teen Titans, I'm gonna start there. And then I might go to another. Actually, no, it's crazy. I want to cosplay mostly DC characters. I will say that. Y'all, technical difficulties. Ooh. Okay, gotcha. It's okay. I got it. That failed. It's funny because I want to cosplay mostly the DC girls. There's not really a lot of Marvel characters that I want to cosplay. I mean, like Black Panther. I like the, you know, like I could definitely do something cute with that. But outside, I don't really want to. I don't know what kind of characters yet. I haven't fully thought about that. If I, let me just. Oh, y'all, this is my dough. dough hooks for my hand mixer because I can't afford a KitchenAid right now, and I really want one, but I can't do it. And buying one secondhand, I want to still try to get the color I want. Like, I'd rather wait a little bit longer to get the color I want secondhand. If I have to just wait a little bit longer, it's okay. But I was gifted a hand mixer for graduation in 2020. Oh my gosh. And I'm finally, like, I usually, like, make my bread and stuff by hand. Well, I haven't done it in a long time. That's why I will always showing my bread recipe, because I used to make it all the time when I was younger. And I want to be getting back into it now. And so I got these dough hooks. And a lot of people are like, how do you bake and cook with your nails? I wear gloves. And if I do stuff by hand, I make sure I really clean my nails. And also, I just use a lot of tools. Like, I use for everything I do. I will emphasize, like, everything I do is going to be sorry y'all, real quick, let me focus and censor the packages that were hidden in the other packages. Because I love cooking at home. It's really just about having time to cook at home. It's really hard. And it requires a lot of prep. It requires a lot of, like, it just requires a lot. But I love to do it. So I try to do it as much as I can. But I do want to emphasize that I want to make videos on all the things that I do like to make. Because it's fun. Ooh. What are you? It's feeling like a silicone mold. But maybe not. It's very wrapped up. Oh, I know what this is. It's my, it's a protective cloth for, like, heat pressing and stuff like that. Main reason I got this is because I got a cheap iron, and I do want to work on some, I'm not going to say perfect, nice fabrics, but I just don't want to burn them. And I didn't invest in a good iron simply just because I couldn't find it. You know, you gotta work within your budget, and I work within my budget, and my budget may not, you know, I just don't want to mess my things up. Oh, and then here's my beaters plate. Oh, yes, and it's tiny, because I really wanted a tiny one. I recently got into beading. It's fun. It's a good, grand old time. And this is, like, one of the last packages. Oh, it seems like there's something else in here. I feel like I haven't opened it yet. Okay. Actually, you know what? We'll do this small one and leave that big one, because I think I know what that is. Let's see. Let's rip it open. Interesting. Oh, it's a little hook. Yeah, I got it for my display of my art. There's something a little basic, cute, and better than a command strip. And as you see, a lot of the stuff I always get is art related. And let's get into this package. Yeah, rip. Pressing ham and sausage. If you don't know what these are, it's for sewing. It's for, like, pressing and getting your fabric really flat. And I've been wanting one of these. I think, yeah. I don't know what it's full of. It's supposed to be like sawdust, but I don't know if this is sawdust. I can't say. Ooh. But they're very nice, and they're sturdy, and I definitely think they're going to do what they need to do. So this and this about to take on the world. And, oh, you guys, I'm so excited for this costume particularly, because I definitely want to do a vampire look for this Halloween. Vampires have always had a deep place in my heart. I really like this. This thing does feel sturdy. I have beads. It doesn't look like it feel a lot, but, you know, for some of the pieces that are more like I get one or two, this is definitely, like, good. And the snappity snaps, and it comes with a case, which is really helpful, because any that comes pre-cased up hits. But I'm very happy with this haul I got, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It's pretty much just art and sewing things. My next one will probably be more emphasis on clothes, because I think I might get some pieces to try to sew them together, alter, do all that crazy stuff. But all I want to say is comment what's your favorite thing that I got. Sorry, train went off the rails, but comment your favorite thing, and don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends. I am so happy that you were able to join me for this freaking unboxing. I been wanting some of these items for so long, so be able to finally get them, it means so much. And for me to be able to do this with you guys, it is the world. So I can't wait for you to join me and we get all the sewing, art, anything, just being a creative. Okay, until next time.